there's a huge possibility that tonight could be the night of Laylatul Qadr. But inshallah ta'ala, the plan for everyone here is to be active the whole 10 nights. We're not going to be selective, all of them inshallah ta'ala. طيب. So you walked into the bank, and when you first walked in, the manager came, all the employees, trumpets, confetti, everybody's excited. What's happening? He said, you are our 1 million customer and you won a huge prize. What's the prize? We're going to give you huge 55-gallon bags. And we're going to put you in the vault for 30 seconds. 30 seconds. So you walked into the vault, you looked left, you looked right, you looked up, down, everywhere. You look stacks of hundreds of thousands of dollars. They already wrapped hundreds of thousands of dollars. So they gave you 30 seconds. Bismillah, go ahead. How many of us would say 30 seconds is too much? How many of us would say, can I take a break? Need some coffee and rest a little bit. Wallahi, if I know you very well, we're gonna grab left and right and up and down. We're not gonna stop. This is a lifetime opportunity. This is not gonna happen again. This is it. 30 seconds. My brothers and sisters, 20 seconds are gone. How much you have filled in the bags? 20 seconds are gone. But from the rahmah of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the last 10 seconds are the best 10. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, the hadith we all know, من قام ليلة القدر إيمانا واحتسابا غفر له ما تقدم من ذنبه. Whomsoever performed qiyam on the night of the Qadr, all his previous sins are forgiven. And in another hadith which is very scary, he said, من حرمها فقد حرم الخير كله. Not half of it, not 30%. Whomsoever is deprived from Laylatul Qadr, he's deprived from all khair. All khair. وما يحرمها إلا محروم. Allah, Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam called him mahroom, yani deprived. What's wrong with you, yani? How could you? Like the example I gave in the khutbah, in the last khutbah. If the boss tells you at work, you work for 10 days and you finish this project, I'm gonna give you 83 years salary. You make $50,000 a year, I'm gonna give you after 10 days, you finish the project, I'm gonna give you $4 million. We will sleep in the office, right? We will make sure it's done. Subhanallah, I can quit the job after that. Subhanallah. 10 days. We want to do our best. We want to get out of our comfort zone. Like they say, لا نوم بعد اليوم. No more sleep starting today. Just take the amount of rest that you need to survive. Just 10 days. Thank Allah, they're not 100 days. Just 10 days. Just 10 days. And the reward is beyond imagination, beyond. Not 83 years of living. No. 83 years of full, from morning till night, full of hasanat, ibadah. Yani all day fasting, all night up, all day donating. 83 years of that if you witness Laylatul Qadr. So what should I do? I'm going to tell you about the minimum, and then we're going to go up. The minimum in these 10 days, the minimum, the bare minimum is attending Fajr and Isha in Jama'ah. Why? Because Rasulullah ﷺ said, whomsoever attend Fajr and Jama'ah and Isha in Jama'ah, as if he stayed up all night. Yani as if you made qiyam all night, which is Laylatul Qadr. This is the bare minimum. Because some of us, maybe they cannot come to the masjid, they cannot, they have some certain, necessities that they have to attend to. The second best is Fajr and Isha in Jama'ah and praying Taraweeh with the Imam till he leaves. Because Rasulullah said, whomsoever pray with the Imam till he leaves, it will be recorded as if he's up all night. So I prayed with the Imam the Taraweeh and I left. That is considered I am up all night, and this is one of the night of the last 10 nights. It will be considered I am qa'im. Okay? And the third, which is the best, Fajr in Jama'ah, Isha in Jama'ah, with the Imam till he finish, and then I go take a little bit of rest, and I get up again and I perform more qiyam. Now the top of the top, the best of the best is i'tikaf. I divorce dunya for 10 days. And I dedicate all these 10 days and nights, there is no way Laylatul Qadr is going to escape. 10 days and nights I'm in the masjid, in ibadah, 5 salawat in jama'ah, Quran during the day, Quran at night. The best thing to do is i'tikaf. And I know, subhanAllah, so many brothers, alhamdulillah, may Allah bless them, from the beginning of the year, they book those 10 days and they tell the boss, these 10 days are my vacation days. These are the days I want to take off. Allahu Akbar. The vacation is with Allah. So, what do we do in these 10 days? If you want to earn Laylatul Qadr has a mahr. It has a dowry. The dowry is of 2 things. Jasadi wa qalbi. Actions by your body and actions of the heart. The actions by the body, we all know them. The qiyam, the siyam, the Quran, the dua, all of that. But the ones of the heart, and that what really counts. That is, when I'm doing the body ones, the heart is present. When I'm reading the Quran, my heart is present. When I'm performing the salat, I'm not thinking about everything. I'm concentrating on that salat. When I'm making dua, which is the most important thing in these days, my heart is in that dua. I'm asking, that's why I always repeat, please, understand what you're asking. That dua that you're raising your hand and begging Allah for, know what it means. Because sometimes we memorize beautiful dua in Arabic and we do not know what they mean. But you don't have to make dua when you're out of the salat. You can make dua in any of your languages. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala understands all languages. But the only important thing in the dua is that it has to come, you are begging Allah for guidance and you are really making the intention that I want to start coming to Fajr from now on all the time. Not only in Ramadan, I am going to start reading the Quran. I am going to improve with my parents. I am going to improve with my spouse. The dua is with intention. There's no way I say, Ya Allah, cure me, and I don't go see the doctor. There's no way I say, Ya Allah, give me a child. Go get married, ya habibi. You have to do something. You got to do something. What you're asking for, put your heart into it. Rasulullah ﷺ said, Allah does not answer the dua from qalb ghafilin lah. Allah does not answer the dua that comes from a heart that is heedless and is not concentrating. So please, these 10 days and 10 nights, mix the night between qiyam, Quran, and dua. Third, whatever you want. This is what you're going to be busy doing. Now, what happens? The first 1 or 2 nights, Allahu Akbar, everybody's excited. Then they die till the 27th. Then they get excited again. Then the Eid comes. Kullu aamin wa antum bikhair. No, this is not going to happen to the epic brothers and sisters. We are Gonna come every single day and every single night. Try our best from the morning till the night in every aspect of my life. Even at work, I'm gonna practice my ibadah by lowering my gaze, by not doing anything haram, by not cheating, by not lying, by not selling haram. Everything I'm gonna be doing from the morning till the night, all ibadah. All ibadah. Now, the last thing is, which is something that many people, and I mentioned it to my brothers in the halaqah on the side. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when He wanted to praise the people who do things at night, which one did He choose from all of the a'mal? The ones who do what? Istighfar. المستغفرين بالأسحار وبالأسحار هم يستغفرون. Do whatever you want. Qiyam, Quran, dua. Just at least dedicate a minute, ya akhi, 5 minutes, literally only for istighfar. So you can be from the ones whom Allah praised at the time of suhoor, whether they're doing, after they finish eating, they are making istighfar. Astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. And say it like you mean it. Don't make your istighfar needs istighfar. Astaghfirullah al-azim alladhi la ilaha illahu al-hayy al-qayyum wa atubu ilayh. Or Sayyid al-istighfar, Sayyid al-istighfar, the master of istighfar. Allahumma anta rabbi. لا إله إلا أنت خلقتني وأنا عبدك وأنا على عهدك ووعدك ما استطعت أعوذ بك من شر ما صنعت أبوء لك بنعمتك علي وأبوء بذنبي فاغفر لي فإنه لا يغفر الذنوب إلا أنت. Memorize it. If you can, just hold the book and read it from your phone. But leave some time just for istighfar so you can fall under the category of al-mustaghfirina bil-ashar. And this, by the way, it's not limited and restricted to Ramadan. Istighfar bil-ashar. Ashar is a plural of suhoor, a plural of sahar, and sahar is the last time of the night, right before Fajr, 2-3 hours before that. That's called suhoor, sahar time. So any time on that, you could make istighfar all through the year. It does not have to be in Ramadan. So inshallah ta'ala, like Rasulullah said, he used to tighten his belt and get ready and wake up his family in these nights. So inshallah ta'ala, we're going to roll up our sleeves. Are you ready, inshallah? Ready? Wallahi, what kind of inshallah is this? Are you ready? May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the benefit of Laylatul Qadr. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala save our necks from the hellfire. Assalamu alaikum.